Now, these reels are newer because IPC wasn't, ICPC was a merge of Powers, uh, a, and the uh, let's see, Precision Machine Company, which was formed to make the Simplex, and a third company in 1925. And like this is New York, Bloomfield, New Jersey.
Yeah.
So they moved to New Jersey in the mid late 30s.
What were they thinking?
So well, then they moved to Nebraska. But anyways.
Well, we've got a sign on it.
Yeah, okay, these are the ones that I.
Well, that's basically what we
Now,
did, but we just
if you're interested in seeing more about this stuff, there's a website, filmtech.com, and they have all these manuals that you can download for free. Anyways, this is how the Edison would have been originally used.
we need to put that over with the,
Yeah.
I don't know why the ladies
Anyways,
having
but
estrogen attached, estrogen attached, and putting something on the thing. But well, just Bill wanted a program or something in there. All right, I'll shoot it.